Hey DIYers! Today we are upstyling simple dollar store vases with a really fun stained glass technique using my gel press. Now I could make gel press prints all day long, but instead I like to use my gel press as a tool for an end product. I've made everything from jewelry and rugs to lampshades and stationery with my gel press. And it is the perfect way to add color, pattern, and texture to all of your projects. Are you ready? Let's make some stained glass vases with my gel press. The hectograph gelatin duplicator or jellygraph is key to a printing process dating from the 1800s that involves transfer of an original, prepared with special inks, to a pan of gelatin or a gelatin pad pulled tight on a metal frame, long before the invention of the Xerox machine. Tissue paper was invented over 2 millennia ago in China, where artisans created the first tissue paper using mulberry bark. Used initially in art, writing, and ceremonial functions, it soon took on a more utilitarian role in the form of gift wrapping and protection for delicate items. Stained glass is colored glass as a material or works created from it. Throughout its 1,000-year history, the term has been applied almost exclusively to the windows of churches and other significant religious buildings. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.